Okay, so now for the install, I've already put on the driver's side, but for some of the video I'll show you more on the passenger side. But the hard console lid cover is what I'm installing right now. And so what you want to do on that is, this is going to be the front up here with this little elastic piece right there. That's for it can go around the handle here. I'm just going to fit it into place and not worry about getting everything fit down real tight to start out, but I'm just going to kind of get it in place a little bit and then start with the Velcro straps. So what I'll do is I'll just bring around the straps, attach them together, and then I'll start to fit it around a little bit tighter and into place. So that'll be the hard console lid cover portion there, and then I'll show you how to do this on the passenger side.